Okay. Hey, what's up? A long time. Welcome back to the channel. If you've watched my past videos, thanks for watching. If you're a new subscriber, thanks. I've had a few thousand in the, I think it's been like 2 years, 2.5 years maybe since I've uploaded. I'm really sorry about that. Been real busy. Got 2 kids now, whatever. That's personal stuff, channel stuff. So aquariums, you guys know me as an aquarium guy. That's probably not going to be going on as much anymore.
How the turntables?
I just kind of have lost the passion. I took down an entire rack of tanks. I just have 10 and then my coil tubs, and I plan on taking down some more and kind of expanding this area. So what's going on now, guys, is I rediscovered I play Warhammer. So that's what I'm gonna be doing with the channel now, if I can get this to ever focus. This is my archer I painted. I wanted to get a few guys painted before I kind of started doing stuff with it on the channel. This is just kind of a transition video. I'm not really going to even edit it very much. Hopefully just maybe cut out some dead space so it's not a lot of hums and ums. But yeah, so that's the gist of it. The channel is going to be switching from aquarium content, aquarium hobby style, to wargaming hobby, I guess. Oh, I don't need that yet. And that's okay. It's my channel. It's what I want to do. I mean, it might, hey, if you're not interested in Warhammer and tabletop gaming, feel free to unsubscribe from the channel. You don't have to watch my content. If you're interested in it, stay tuned. If you're interested in me as a person, stick around. I'm still the same guy. My videos are obviously going to change a little bit. This one especially is not going to, I mean, I don't know. What started happening was the edits got a little bit too hard to do. They were, all the stuff I was doing, it was just too much. I was doing too much. And so now what I'm going to be doing is kind of like painting on camera. I'm hoping to kind of rejig my setup here and maybe get a streaming setup going or something, so I can maybe live stream, chat while I paint, or get a game going with someone locally and live stream that, like a live battle report or something. If those are kind of cool. A big mainstay is going to become 15-minute battle reports, which will be narrated pictures. I'm going to probably be attending a few tournaments, events, things like that. And yeah, once I get better at the game, because I probably only played a dozen games of Warhammer the Old World so far since I discovered that it was relaunched. It's probably too much paint. Oof, oh well, it's brown. Yeah, so I discovered it was relaunched in, I think August, maybe late July, August, and it just reignited my passion. I played Warhammer Fantasy 6th edition back when I was a kid, and actually back before I got into aquariums again, and before even, if you guys remember, I had a pretty decent Lego collection. Before I got into the Lego collection, I was looking to get back into Warhammer Fantasy, not any of the other things. I just wanted to paint some models and roll some dice and just, relive that nostalgia, but what they had done the end times. So there was no Warhammer Fantasy to buy from Games Workshop, and I guess I didn't realize how alive the game system still was, and that you could still, I guess I knew you could buy used, but I didn't like the idea of stripping paint off of old models and fixing people's shitty paint jobs. So I just went another route, went for the Lego, and then I guess when I got bored of the Lego, I went to the aquariums. And not that I got bored of the aquariums, I just literally, I overburdened myself with it, and it felt like less of a hobby and more like a job. The water changes would literally take me 4 hours if I rushed them, just the amount of tanks, and that's where I guess I really needed an auto water change system. Some of you guys probably know all about that kind of stuff, but I didn't do that. I had a second kid with my wife, and we've been getting our asses kicked by life ever since. So this is a much more relaxing thing. I'm going to try to get a 15-minute battle report up really soon, actually, so you guys can kind of get a gist of what it is, and if it's something you like. I know I have thousands of I don't know how many of you are actually still active accounts, but there are thousands of subscribers on this YouTube channel. So I'm just kind of letting you guys know what's happening. Leave your comments on what you think. Sorry if you're extremely disappointed. But once again, it is my YouTube channel and my passions and things I want to share with the world. And this is a much more, I was good with aquariums. I liked aquascaping. This is a much more positive thing for me to be doing. I guess it's the best way to put it. It's not going to, at least for a while, I'm going to do my best to not make it feel like a job, which really means I've been debating closing down my web shop as well, my bobmoss.shop web store, or transitioning over to selling these kind of hobby supplies, like, I don't know, paintbrushes or, 3D prints or stuff. But then, like, there's Etsy for that. I don't know. Lots of decisions to be made still. Lots of decisions. But, yeah, it's exciting. I really, really enjoy this. I'll try to mix in I hopefully mixed in some D-roll of all, my current army, playing High Elves in Warhammer Old World 1st Edition, played High Elves in 6th Edition, yada, yada, yada. And, yeah, that's that, guys. That's going to be the channel going forward, and I'll actually probably start to get videos out again. So, excited for that. Hope you're not too disappointed. I'm still the same memer. Hopefully I'll mix in, I don't know, maybe I'll mix in a meme or two.
No! God, please, no! No!
I need a new slogan because it's not going to be shrimp hand. You guys got to help me out. Keep your what hand strong. It's got a rhyme. It's got a flow. So that's going to be working. Yeah, I'll show B-roll of the army. And that's it. See you in the next one. Bye.